Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be giving you a tour of all my Ryobi tools and giving you my thoughts on them after using them for 2 years. Alright, I'm going to jump around a little bit, but I'm going to start with these tools. These are the tools that I keep in my work van. I also keep these two tools in my work van. This is just a small miter saw, can only really cut 2x4s with it. And then this really old table saw, it was made in 2002 and I got it at a garage sale for 50 bucks and it still works great. Could use a new blade, but it works good for real small jobs. These are all the other cordless tools that I keep in the van. The first set I got was these two, the impact and the drill with this reciprocating saw, this circular saw, and this oscillating multi-tool. It also came with this light. So that 6-pack was $200. I think it was like a Ryobi day sale. It came with a couple batteries. And I got that 2 years ago now, and it's been holding up great. This blade kind of sucked from the factory, if we're being honest, but yeah. The next tool I got was this 18-gauge nailer. It wasn't actually this one. My girlfriend got me one in exchange for building her a project. And the first one I got failed after like a month. And I think it was something internally. Like, I don't think actually using it broke. I think it was just manufactured weird. I think a screw fell off inside. But they gave me a full refund and then I just bought another one and this one's held up for 2 years. So, yeah, I like this tool a lot. Other tools I got is this brushless hammer drill. I got this at a pawn shop. I think it was like 50 bucks with a battery. Got the angle grinder. I bought that new. The small vacuum, I bought that new. The caulking gun, I got this because I needed to do a job where I was going to do like 12 tubes of construction adhesive in one day, and I was like, I do not want to do this manually, so I bought this and it held up through that job and it's been holding up ever since, probably like a year and a half now. It does need to be cleaned every once in a while because yeah, maybe I just don't know how to use caulk, but it squirts out the back of the caulking tube sometimes. Then I got this sander. I think I got this at a pawn shop as well. I bought this jigsaw new. Kind of recently. I have an older one over there that I'll show you. Then I bought this air pump for airing up tires. You probably shouldn't do this. I don't know if you should or not, but I put a rubber band on here when I'm airing them up and then I don't have to hold it the whole time. And it has the gauge here. It tells you how much is in them. Got this little fan for really hot days when there's no AC inside. And this shop vac. This shop vac works great for the jobs I do. I don't really use it for any wet applications, just dry applications, but works great. Then I have a couple extra batteries. I always keep 10 batteries in the van with me. And I have the three battery chargers hooked up to inverter so that I can also have 3 batteries charging in the van. Onto some bench top tools. I got this bench top grinder. I bought this new and it works pretty good for what I need it for, which is pretty much just cleaning metal and things like that. I bought this bandsaw at a pawn shop for $75 and it's worked great for everything that I've used it for. Then you got this drill press hanging upside down here. I bought this for, I think, $90. I can't remember exactly, but I got that off Facebook Marketplace and it works great too. This was a garage sale find. This was part of a 12-piece set, which is what is most of this stuff over here. Which is all the same stuff I have over there. This saw's a little bigger, and this is a 3/8 impact, which I've yet to use. I bought both of these routers separately. This one's cordless palm router, and then a plug-in router. These are some of the older tools that I got. I had these first, I think. Yeah, I had these before I bought some of those. I use this jigsaw a lot. I got it for $12 at a thrift store. It works great. Reciprocating saw. These are like pretty much brand new. that's why I've kept them. I got rid of a lot of other ones that I had that were blue. I bought a whole set from a pawn shop for like $50 and used the heck out of them. But then I just sold them because it's like I didn't need like 4 sets of all of the tools. An older skill saw, and then I use this vacuum a lot. This is the only tool that I had that the batteries didn't fit in, so I used a Dremel and like cut out the thing that was blocking it. But yep, I used that for a long time until I got the newer one. I don't really need these, but I don't want to get rid of them because what if I do need them? Conundrum. I got this sander from Facebook Marketplace for like $60, I think, but it was missing this stop. I bought a stop for $20, and I have this for $80. Some extra batteries that I keep at the house. All my ones on the wall. This was actually my very first Ryobi tool. It was this with a 4 amp hour battery. I got it for $50 at a garage sale. And that is what, because I had this, that's what I decided to get Ryobi to start with. And I got that 6-pack of tools for $200. This was a big factor because I already had a battery and I do not regret it. My other yard tool is this weed eater. I got that at a pawn shop with this drill, and this drill is like my worst Ryobi tool. It has no power. I don't know why it's different than all the other ones, but yeah. I mean, I got it at a pawn shop with this for like $50 and a battery, so I'm not really complaining, but yeah. I bought this impact because it's the same as this impact pretty much, and this is my favorite tool and I use it all the time, and if it were to ever die I would be sad, so I got a replacement just in case. And I keep these 2 tools upstairs in my house in case I need one up there. I'd have to run downstairs because I am that lazy. I have this electric pressure washer. I bought this for $15. I'm not kidding. I got it at a thrift store that did not have room for it, and they didn't want to store it, and they just wanted it out of their way. So I got there probably like right as they got it, and it was sitting out front, and I plugged it in and it worked. Yeah, I got a new hose for it and a new gun and this thing later on. This pressure washer is not really working that great anymore. It worked a lot better when I first got it, but I've probably made like $2,000 using it, so I'm not complaining. I literally spent $15 on it, so that was a good deal for me. I don't think I talked about this circular saw. I just wanted a 7 1/4 one, so I bought this. Now I have 4 circular saws, but you know, you can never have too many circular saws. And these 2 are my latest purchases. I got this 6 battery charger because I just was using too many tools at once, and I basically had a job where I used power tools all day for like 3 days straight, and I just could not keep up with charging them on my inverter but with a couple battery chargers at home. So I got this, and it works great, and I use it all the time now. And this is my latest purchase. I got this at a garage sale for $60. It works great, and I just don't think the guy was moving out of state and didn't want to take it with him, so he gave me a good deal on this, and it works great. All right, so here are my final thoughts. I love Ryobi. I know they get a lot of hate, and every time I post pictures of my tools or videos of my tools online, people want to make fun of them, but they pay my bills. I've probably made close to like $150,000 to $200,000 using these tools over the last 2 years, and they didn't cost me much. Maybe all these tools combined, even if I bought them new, would be like $3,000 at most. I think that's pretty good bang for your buck, especially when you compare them to the other brands. Like most of these tools are a third or half the price of the other brands, and I don't think they are half or a third of as good. I think they're maybe 10%. I mean, maybe like they drop off 10% of the other brands. if I was doing like heavy mechanics, machinery or something like that, or I don't know, if I had a full-blown workshop, I would use, you know, floor model, you know, stand-up, large cabinet style tools, but I don't. I use these on the road as a handyman. They pay my bills. I'm not scared of them breaking. I'm not scared of losing them. I'm not scared of getting them stolen. I can just rebuy them. I have tons of them. Yeah, I'm very happy with them. And if you're thinking about getting them, don't let the trolls scare you out of it. They probably don't use tools anyways. I like these tools. They work for me. They pay my bills. That's all. All right, I hope you liked my video. I hope this helped you make a decision of maybe whether you want to get some of these tools or not. I have a huge list of tools, of more Ryobi tools that I want to get. They have so many tools and I want them all. If you like this video, please subscribe, please like it, please leave me a comment. Go follow me on all the social medias. If you want any of these tools, I will try to have them linked in the description down below. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.